step forward and present the welcome address as he sets the tone for this glorious sports day with his inspiring words. Let us give him our full attention as he shares his thoughts with warmth and wisdom.
Hello. 10 standard. Position. Hello. Hello.
Respected Chairman, Sir, Honorable Chief Guests, esteemed members of the management, dedicated teachers, dear parents, and my energetic students, a very warm and respectful good morning to one and all. It is with great pride and joy that we welcome you to the annual Sports Day of Eden Academy, a celebration that reflects the heartbeat of our institution, energy, discipline, teamwork, resilience, and the true spirit of sportsmanship. Our chief guests are Mr. Javed Ali Sahab, Secretary Umi, and our guests of honors are Dr. Padwegar, retired scientist. Our chief guest, Mr. Javed Ali Sahab, Secretary Ummid Foundation. Give a round of applause for our chief guest. Our chief guest of honor are Dr. Padwegar, retired scientist. Our guest of honor, Dr. Padwegar, retired scientist. Guest of honor, Muhammad Sundar, retired civil engineer, Government of Maharashtra. And Captain Abdul Samad Patankar.
Wait, sir. Continue.
Sports Day is not merely an occasion filled with races and drills. It is a living classroom where children learn lessons that no textbook can fully teach. Lessons of efforts, patience, respect, emotional balance, development, and perseverance. At the Eden Academy, we believe that education is incomplete without physical development, and that a healthy body nurtures a confident, focused, and morally strong mind. Today's program is especially meaningful as it brings together students, parents, teachers, and management on one common platform, united by encouragement, shared pride, and collective responsibility in shaping the future of our children. Thank you very much.
कहाँ से आएंगे तुम लोग?
Honored to have with us today our esteemed chief guests whose presence truly adds dignity and inspiration to this celebration. We warmly welcome our chief guests whose achievements and contribution to society stand as a shining example of dedication, discipline, and excellence. We also extend a heartfelt welcome to our chief guests whose journey and accomplishments continue to motivate young minds to dream big and work hard. Your gracious presence motivates our students to believe that consistent effort, strong values, and self-belief can lead to meaningful success.
Band start. Start.
Left, right, 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 left, right,
May I now request everyone present to kindly rise and stand in attention for the national anthem as we pay our respect and honor to our nation.
All students stand up. Stand it is. Attention. Get ready for national anthem. Stand up everyone. Hello.
तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. Please be seated. We now request our respected Chairman Sir to share his inspiring words. He reinforces the importance of balanced education, reminding students that success is built on discipline, values, resilience, and gratitude.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected Chief Guest, our guests of honor, dedicated teachers, members of the management, and my dear students, parents. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to this annual Sports Day of Eden Academy, a celebration of energy, discipline, teamwork, and the true spirit of sportsmanship. Sports play a vital role in shaping a child's personality. While academics develop the intellect, sports build character, confidence, resilience, and leadership. Through participation, students learn valuable lessons, life lessons, to follow rules, respect others, work as team, accept victory with humility, and face challenges. At Eden Academy, we strongly believe in holistic education, where physical fitness, mental strength, and moral values go hand in hand. Today's events reflect the hard work and enthusiasm of our students and the sincere efforts of our teachers and sports instructors, whom I wholeheartedly appreciate for their dedication and guidance. I extend my sincere gratitude to our parents for their continued support and trust, which plays a vital role in the overall development of a child. My dear students, remember that winning is important, but playing fair, giving your best, and learning from every experience matters for you for more. Let sports shape you into a disciplined, confident, and responsible individuals. I sincerely thank our honorable chief guest and respected guests of honor for gracing this occasion and inspiring our students with their esteemed presence. With these words, I wish all participants here may today open your love for fitness, discipline, and excellence. Thank you and have a very wonderful sports day. Jazakumullah khair.
Jazakallah khair, sir. We now humbly invite our honorable chief guests to address our students and audience.
Respected Chairman, Mr. Muhammad Abu Bakr Sheikh, esteemed members of the management, honorable principal, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to be here today as the chief guest for the annual sports meet of Eden Academy. I thank the management for this warm invitation and for giving me the opportunity to be part of such a joyful and energetic occasion. Sports are not just about winning medals or trophies. Sports teaches discipline, teamwork, patience, and respect. When you run on the track, you learn determination. When you play as a team, you learn unity. And when you accept defeat with a smile, you learn character. Dear students, remember one important thing. Winning is good, but giving your best is greater. Every effort you make today, every drop of sweat, and every moment of fair play will shape you into a stronger and more confident individual. To the teachers and parents, I sincerely appreciate your constant support in balancing academics with sports. A healthy body builds a healthy mind, and schools like Eden Academy deserve appreciation for nurturing students in all aspects of life. I encourage all students to play with enthusiasm, respect the rules, support your teammates, and enjoy every moment of today's event. May this sports meet strengthen friendship, confidence, and sportsmanship among you all. I congratulate the management, staff, and students for organizing this wonderful event and pray for its grand success. May Allah bless Eden Academy with continued progress and excellence. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Request our guest of honor, Dr. Padvekar, retired scientist of BARC, to give his words.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमारे चीफ गेस्ट ने जो बताया उसको रिपीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपने उसको ध्यान से सुना होगा। मुझे इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है। इट इज़ अ ग्रेट प्लेजर फॉर मी। द चेयरमैन ईडन एकेडमी अबू बकर साहब मेरे पुराने दोस्त हैं और उन्होंने मुझे याद किया और मैं यहाँ पे पहुँच गया हूँ। यहाँ पे बच्चों का जो इंतज़ाम है, उनके चेहरे पे जो खुशी है, वो देख के सबको खुशी होती है। जैसे बताया गया कि स्पोर्ट्स में आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। सबसे अहम बात है कि आपका हेल्थ अच्छा बनता है, क्योंकि जो भी मैदान में आता है वो अपनी हेल्थ बनाता है, उसमें डिसिप्लिन आ जाती है और जब जीतते हैं तो और भी खुशी होती है। एक बात मैं बता दूं, मैं कोई स्पोर्ट्समैन नहीं हूं, लेकिन मुझे याद आ गया बचपन में हमारे दादा हमारा रनिंग रेस लगाते थे, मेरे और मेरे छोटे भाई का, और मेरा हमेशा दूसरा नंबर आता था, तो हम दो ही थे इसमें। आई विश यू a great success for this event and I am very honored to be here. Thank you.
I will request our honored guest, Mohammad Sundar, to give his words, please.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected Chairman, Brother Ambedkar, parents and students. I am honored to be here today in this workshop as the guest of honor. I congratulate all the participants for the hard work and the enthusiasm. Sports teachers valuable lessons like teamwork, discipline, and the perseverance. I encourage all the participants you to give your best, support your teammates, and enjoy the spirit of competition. May this event inspire you to strive for excellence in sports and life. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Jazakallah.
Thank you so much.
Jazakallah khair for their words of encouragement, life experiences and insights inspiring our children to believe that sports nurture leadership, courage and self-confidence, shaping responsible citizens tomorrow. Now we officially declare the opening of our sports day. With the flag held high, we now witness the elite march past, a powerful visual of discipline, coordination and leadership.
Attention. Standard is. Attention. कदम ताल शुरू कर.
Each synchronized step represents strength, respect for rules, and collective responsibility. The March Past teaches students the importance of working together, following instructions, and standing united. Values that are essential not only in sports but in every walk of life. The participating students deserve immense appreciation for their precision, posture, focus, and confidence. Their performance reflects hours of practice and a deep understanding that discipline is the foundation of success.
सर फ्लैग को वेव करना है लिटरली. हाँ जब करते रहो जस्ट स्टार्ट कैरी ऑन.
The school flag is not merely a piece of fabric. It is a symbol of our identity, values, discipline, unity, and sporting spirit. As it moves around the ground today, it carries with it the dreams, dedication, and determination of the student of academy. May I now invite our proud flag bearers to take their positions. Shifa Bim, Standard 6. Mohammed Habil, Standard 6 in Open State Level Taekwondo. Yusuf from Standard 6. Jinnat from Standard 6. Khan Mohammed Ahmed from Standard 6, Silver Medalist in Taekwondo. Uzair Gumbe, Silver Medalist in Taekwondo. Affan bin Misbah, Bronze Medalist in Taekwondo.
all of you come. Sir, wait. Join them. Okay. Don't cover your face, beta. Don't cover your face. Keep your face up.
7 achievers representing overall excellence. Shifa Bepari, Standard 6, Gold Medalist. Muhammad Habil, Standard 6, Gold Medalist in Taekwondo. Yusuf from Standard 6, Bronze Medalist, Taekwondo. Please give them a huge round of applause. Standard 6, Jinnat, Silver Medalist in Taekwondo. Khan Muhammad Ahmed, Silver Medalist, Taekwondo. Uzair Kumte, Standard 6, Silver Medalist in Taekwondo. Afan bin Misbah, Bronze Medalist, Taekwondo. Please give them a huge round of applause. With hearts filled with pride and commitment, we now move to the pledge ceremony, a solemn promise that reflects our respect for rules, fairness, and the true spirit of sportsmanship. I now invite Isa of class 10 to kindly forward and lead us in the Sports Day oath.
All students stand up. Get ready for a oath.
Stand up.
Students, kindly place your right palm on your heart. We solemnly, repeat after me, we solemnly pledge to take part in Eden Academy Sports Day competitions and events with honesty, discipline, and respect for all rules and regulations. We shall compete with fairness, courage, and true sportsmanship, honoring our school, respecting our opponents, and upholding the spirit of unity and excellence. We commit ourselves to giving our best efforts, accepting victory with humility, and defeat with grace, for the pride of our school and the true glory of sports. Thank you.
May this pledge guide our actions today and always remind us to compete with honesty, respect, courage, and unity. Thank you. lesson. How we begin something matters as much as how we perform it. Please give them a huge applause. This heartwarming performance by our class 1 and 2 students reminds us when children start with a happy and positive attitude, learning becomes enjoyable, confidence grows naturally, and effort feels rewarding rather than stressful. A cheerful beginning fills young minds with fun, positivity, and togetherness. Their performance reflects enthusiasm, courage, and early discipline, qualities that, when nurtured with love and appreciation, grow into lifelong confidence and resilience. Let us keep the cheers going and the smiles alive, because a positive start today creates confident achievers tomorrow. Showing us that big dreams begin with small steps. The first sport is hockey, a fast team game where players use sticks to pass the ball and score goals together. Through quick moves and teamwork. Parents, please. Parents, please encourage our kabaddi players. Sorry. Next we have martial arts, a discipline that teaches self-control, balance, respect, and self-defense. Parents, please don't stop cheering up our little sparks. Next we have athletics, the foundation of all sports, including running, jumping and throwing, that builds speed and endurance. Let us welcome our young athletes with a huge round of applause. badminton, a quick and exciting racket game that improves focus, agility, and coordination. Please cheer up our young weightlifters. Through these joyful representations, our little sparks show us that sports begin with play, grow with practice, and shine with confidence. Let us encourage them with cheers because every smile and clap today builds their courage for tomorrow. This fitness drill beautifully reminds us that physical activity is not a privilege but a right for every child and a responsibility towards one's own health. Regular exercise keeps the body active, the mind alert and the heart strong, helping children grow with energy, confidence and balance. Fitness plays a vital role in strengthening both the body and the mind. While exercises improve stamina, flexibility, coordination and posture, they also train the mind to stay focused, positive and resilient. Through movement, students learn important life lessons. To never give up, to keep trying even when tired and to believe in themselves. This drill also creates awareness that a healthy body supports a healthy mind. Physical activity reduces stress, improves emotional balance, and builds self-discipline. These synchronized movements you see reflect consistency, teamwork, and self-control, showing that small daily efforts lead to lifelong wellness and success. is a strong reminder that fitness is a habit, effort builds strength, and positivity creates confidence. Please cheer them up with your claps today and build their courage and confidence. Important truth. Real strength is not found in aggression, but in self-control, discipline, and awareness. Through this drill, our students demonstrate that martial arts is a way of life that shapes both the mind and the body, helping children grow into confident, balanced, and responsible individuals. Martial arts builds strength, flexibility, balance, coordination, and stamina. Every movement strengthens muscles, improves posture, and enhances body control. The structured training also promotes overall fitness, helping children develop a strong, healthy body while preventing injuries through proper technique and awareness. Boys performing structured exercises and powerful kicks, demonstrating agility, focus, balance, and precision. Every movement reflects their training, concentration, and physical strength. Now we have our girls that will showcase martial arts basics and self-defense techniques, reminding us that every child, especially every girl, deserves the confidence to protect herself, stand strong, and face challenges fearlessly.
गर्ल्स को भी एक अपडेट दे के
responsibility. This drill sends a beautiful message: power with discipline, courage with compassion. The pyramid formation you witnessed today is much more than a physical structure. Parents, please encourage them with your loud cheers. This pyramid is a powerful symbol of trust, belief, and unity. Such a performance is possible only when each student has complete faith in one another. Such a performance by every participant understands that their strength is connected to the strength of the team, and the success comes when everyone supports and depends on each other with sincerity and responsibility. This mutual belief builds confidence, reduces fear, and encourages courage. It teaches students that when we trust and respect one another, even challenging goals become achievable. Please give a round of applause for our students. The pyramid formation represents the essential values that shape strong individuals and a strong society. Honesty, which forms the foundation of all relationships. Perseverance, to stay committed despite the challenges. Cooperation, to work together in harmony. And responsibility, to support others while fulfilling one's own role. Each layer reflects mental maturity as students make careful decisions, emotional intelligence as they manage fear and pressure, and leadership readiness as they guide, support, and protect one another. This formation beautifully reminds us that education is not just about gaining knowledge, but about building character and confidence, mutual trust. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause. This pyramid rises high because its base is strong. Students rise in life when they are grounded in values, teamwork, and trust. Please don't stop with your loud cheers. Their performance reflects not only physical. Parents, please don't stop with your applause. Keep cheering on. To create a stable pyramid, students must trust their teammates completely, trusting that they will stand firm, offer support, and act responsibly. It teaches students that when we trust and respect one another, even challenging goals become achievable. Keep cheering them. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being a wonderful audience and for witnessing the enriching events and performances of the first half of our sports day. As we move into the thrilling competitive events ahead, we request everyone to cheer enthusiastically, remain seated and maintain cleanliness, safety and decorum, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for all. Let the spirit of Sports Day continue to inspire, energize and unite us. Thank you. Thank you for your patience and enthusiastic support throughout the first half of today's celebration. We now move into the second half of our annual Sports Day, the most awaited and action-packed segment of the day, the races. This part of the program brings to life the true spirit of sportsmanship, speed, stamina, focus and fair play. As our young athletes take their marks, we encourage everyone to cheer wholeheartedly and motivate every participant, because each runner on the track is a winner for having the courage to compete. Get ready for excitement, energy and edge of the seat moments as our runners race not just towards the finish line but towards confidence and self-belief. Let the races begin and may the best efforts shine. We have our first races of Bucket 1, classes 1 and 2, where our young athletes are all set to run, jump and play with enthusiasm and confidence. We kindly request our parents and guests to remain seated and keep encouraging our children so that they play confidently, compete confidently and have the courage to not be disappointed if they don't win. But yes, all around just be excited and confident that they are participating. Thank you. We have our first event, Kabaddi event by Bucket 4, the Pillars of Strength. Kabaddi is a traditional team sport that tests strength, agility, breath control and quick decision making. Players enter the opposing team's areas to tag opponents while holding their breath and safely return to their side. Promotes physical fitness, alertness, teamwork and self-discipline, making it a complete test of body and mind. We bring you the exciting and traditional game of Kabaddi for boys, a sport that blends strength, agility, presence of mind and teamwork. The boys of classes 8, 9 and 10, the pillars of our strength.
Look there. Referee, this side, this side. Wait, sir, wait. वेट सर सामने
इस तरफ हो जाओ। कैप्टन ही अपसेट है। चलो मैं आ गया तो कैप्टन कौन है?
सर थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए सर, मोबाइल में जूम करना है, ऐसा जूम होता है। आप आगे मत जाओ, मैं नहीं बोल रहा सर। पीछे पीछे पीछे। अरे कैप्टन हेल्प, आपको क्या चाहिए? अब क्या कर सकते हैं? क्या चाहिए सर्विस?
Boys,
को बोलो कि स्टूडेंट्स को बोलो कि कैप निकाल के भागे।
हाँ, वो कोच को बोलो ना।
हाँ, क्योंकि क्या है ना,
अफीफा अंसारी, मदीहा सैयद, युसरा खान, अनबिया अमीना, खदीजा सिद्दीकी, सिद्रा फातिमा, मारिया वस्ता, सनाया खान. Please cheer our kabaddi players. Students, classes 1 and 2, Kalawe Musa, Khan Abdul Rahman, Khan Muhammad Ali, Sheikh Zidan Suhail, Sheikh Zidan, Zakaria, Khan Abdullah and Sarang Ali.
After finishing, send
Let's
all the
cheer
videos.
for our young champions as they run with determination and excitement. Cheers for all our runners. On track C, we have a hurdles race by bucket 3, classes 5, 6, 7. We have our girls, Sheikh Kashaf, Sakina, Sheikh Zara, Sumaya from standard 6, Khan Fauzia, Bagali Humaira, Bipari Shifa, Saima Mahi, Faruqi Maryam. On track A, we have a flat race by bucket 3 boys, class 6, 5 and 6. The flat race.
क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? उनको भेज देख सकते हैं ना. चलो स्टूडेंट्स, टेक दिस साइड.
Our bunnies were too quick, forgot to hop. Please keep cheering our children. Just look how careful and look at their perfect coordination. Please cheer our students with your round of applause. Please don't stop clapping. Your energy matters.
Very good, Anaiza. Go. Aram se, easy.
No touching, beta. No touching. Mashallah. Rayyan, इधर आओ. आपका दो.
That's all to your children. And teachers, please maintain the decorum. Please make your students sit properly. Not interrupt the games. Teachers. Parents, please encourage the students. Keep your loud cheers going on. Bipari Mohammad Saif, Ashian Alam.
चलो नेक्स्ट गो
Runners, please get ready on your tracks.
इधर 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 आउट बाहर बैठ चलो नेक्स्ट एक प्लेयर आउट लिखा
हाँ सर लिख लिया पकड़
आउट आउट वेट वेट तू चोर मत लगड़ी नेक्स्ट फाइट वेट
चार लोग को करना है, चार लोग को।
इधर 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 अंदर रेड टीम के अंदर रेड टीम के अंदर एक को ही पकड़ो आउट चलो नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट को लंडी करने लगा चलो स्टार्ट ना
On track B,
आउट
we
आउट
have
आउट
Longdi
आउट
race.
आउट आउट लाइन के बाहर गया
Team 1 boys Umar, Sayyid Yasin, Farhan, Sayyid Ibrahim, Sheikh Muhammad, Khan Muhammad Umar, Deshmukh Asim, Khan Abdus Samad, Chaugule Muhammad Ilyas, Muhammad Habil and Faisal. Team 2 we have Sheikh Ahmad,
जाओ जाओ जल्दी जाओ आप पीछे बच्चा दे आर प्लेइंग ले जल्दी लेके जाओ गिरा बिना जाओ कम ऑन भागो आओ अब्दुल बारी आओ जल्दी आओ वेरी गुड जल्दी जाओ आजा वेरी गुड आजा
Bucket 4 flat race 100 meters.
उमर
Please be ready for your flat race. Stall, please go back to your seatings. Please don't interrupt the events. Students at the stall, please come back to your designated areas.
नहीं मिला अरे इतनी लाइन लगी सब बच्चे भी उधर है और वो जो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं वो भी उधर है तो नहीं हुआ
Teachers, please cooperate with your students. Bucket number 4, girls, be ready for your 100-meter flat race. Sheikh Umama, Tarannum Khatun, Sheikh Rukaiya, Asma, Sheikh Fatima, Bipari, Saima, Kalave, Zainab, Qureshi, Afia. Bucket number 4, girls, come to track C. Students at the stall, this is the last announcement. Please be back to your designated areas. Bucket number 4, girls, Sheikh Umama, Tarannum Khatun. Imam Abdullah, Muhammad Saad, Muhammad Afraz, Sheikh Ibrahim, Malik Arkan, Bipari Muhammad Saif, Ashian Alam. Parents, cheer them up.
cheating. Do it properly.
I've started with the tug of war. Parents, let's applaud both teams for their teamwork, resilience and sportsmanship.
Girls, come close. अरे नजदीक आ जाओ, इतना दूर क्यों आप जा रहे हैं?
फोटो के कैमरा में उधर कैमरा में
Race. Participants Sheikh Umar Muhammad Ahyan bin Misbah, Aqdas Sheikh, Chaudhry Arhan, Faruqi Salman, Sakharkar Anas, Sayyid Muhammad Talha. Give them a round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear parents, my name is Umar Farooq. ठीक है, मैं बच्चों को संडे के टाइम पे स्पोर्ट्स पर एक्टिविटी कराता हूँ, राइट। तो आप लोग कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को भेजते हैं, बट इट इज़ हाईली रिकमेंडेड कि आप लोग अपने बच्चे को संडेज को भेजिए। मॉर्निंग 1 घंटे का सेशन होता है, उस सेशन में हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कौन सा बच्चे को कौन सा एक्टिविटी उनको हेल्थ को सपोर्ट करेगा, राइट। इफ इज़ गुड एट फुटबॉल, हम उनको फुटबॉल की ट्रेनिंग कराएंगे। अगर वो क्रिकेट में अच्छे हैं तो हम उनको क्रिकेट के प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे। बैडमिंटन में अच्छे हैं तो हम बैडमिंटन के प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे। सो इट्स अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, आप लोगों के बगैर इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम पॉसिबल नहीं है, राइट। सो रियली थैंक फॉर दैट। बट हम ये चाहते हैं कि अपने बच्चे भी अच्छा खासा एक्टिव रहे। आज के ज़माने में जो एयर क्वालिटी का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सारे को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी नीड ए हेल्दी लाइफ, राइट। वीकेंड में सोना अच्छी बात नहीं है, ये हाफिज जी की तरफ से। सो मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम 7 to 8 ये हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेशन रहेगा एपीजे स्कूल पे। अभी रमज़ान आ रहा है, राइट। So it's a correction. NMC ground opposite जामा मस्जिद, जो भी ग्राउंड है वहाँ पर हम अवेलेबिलिटी के हिसाब से हम करेंगे, राइट। तो अभी हमारे लिए 2 चैलेंजेस आ रहा है। एक चैलेंजेस नहीं है, एग्जाम से एक चैलेंजेस है। तो एग्जाम के टाइम पे हम प्रैक्टिस सेशन नहीं कराएंगे, रमजान के महीने में हम प्रैक्टिस सेशन नहीं कराएंगे, उसके बाद से हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह, ठीक है। ये हो गया फर्स्ट अनाउंसमेंट। सेकेंड एंड बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट है, मेरी कंपनी विजन डेटा लैब्स ईडन एकेडमी के साथ में मिलकर हमारे बच्चों को आईटी रिलेटेड कोर्स सिखाने वाले हैं। जो स्टूडेंट्स पहले से पढ़ रहे हैं उनके लिए एक अलग सिलेबस हम बनाएंगे। हम उनको डिज़ाइन सिखाएंगे, हम उनको कोडिंग सिखाएंगे, हम उनको आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सिखाएंगे, हम उनको रोबोटिक्स सिखाएंगे. सो दिस इज इंक्लूडेड ऑन योर सिलेबस जो एग्जिस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. उसके अलावा वी विल कंडक्ट स्पेशल कोर्सेज फॉर हायर स्टडीज जो आईटी में अपने फ्यूचर बनाना चाहते हैं. राइट. सो हम इन स्कूल में से ही जो बच्चे अच्छे कर रहे हैं उनको भी हम पिक करेंगे. उनको हायर स्टडीज के लिए पैसे पे करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. दैट विल बी टेकन केयर बाय माय कंपनी. राइट. सो आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू ऑल कि आपके बच्चे को फ्यूचर को समझने के लिए ऐसे कोर्सेज के अंदर आप ऐड करें. उससे भी इम्पोर्टेंट जो डिजाइनिंग का आईटी के रिलेटेड हम लोग सिखाने वाले हैं, आप लोग की तरफ से एक बहुत बड़ा हेल्प रहेगा कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स को बताइए, उनके बच्चे को हमारे स्कूल पर एडमिशन के लिए आप ले आइए. वो आप लोगों की तरफ से एक बहुत बड़ा एहसान हो जाएगा. इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह सुब्हान तआला उसका अजर हम सबको आखिरत में देगा. राइट. सो एनी क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू आईटी, एनी क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज, यू कैन कलेक्ट माय नंबर फ्रॉम ईडन स्कूल. अब्दुल रशीद सर के पास से है, इस्माइल सर के पास से, अबू सर के पास से आप कलेक्ट कर लीजिए. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक नेक्स्ट सैटरडे से आईटी की कोर्स चालू हो जाएंगे. तो इनिशियली हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे जो हैं उनको सिलेबस में हम ऐड करेंगे. हम पहले बताएंगे कि हम क्या क्या सीखने वाले हैं, फिर उसके बाद के वीक से कोर्सेस चालू हो जाएगा. राइट. सो दुआ कीजिए सबके लिए. इंशाल्लाह आपकी दुआ से और अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला की दुआ से इंशाल्लाह स्कूल और आगे बढ़े एंड ऐसे एक्टिविटीज हम इससे भी बड़े बड़े ग्राउंड में करें इंशाल्लाह. ठीक है. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर.
3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट.
Langdi race by Bucket 3 girls. Team 1 Sheikh Zara Patel Rushda Sheikh Arshia Sheikh Sumayya Faruqi Maryam. Team 2 Kalawe Masira Momin Zunaira Sheikh Shifa Bipari Shifa Saima Mahi. On track B, cheers for both the teams. Parents, please cheer up for our students.
Bucket number 1, bucket number 1.
Out of it. आउट हो गए.